Good morning, students. In this video, I will explain how to get cent marks. Cent marks means 60 out of 60 in senior botany. In question paper, there are three types of questions. Three sections are there. First is section 1 and second one is section B and third one is section C. First we discuss about the section C. In section C, there are three questions, 19, 20 and 21. Three are given, you can answer any two. So there is choice in section C. And then comes to the section B. Short answer type questions, each question carries 4 marks. And 11 to 18, 8 questions are given, you can answer any 6. So there is also choice in the short answer questions. So you can easily attempt all the questions. And then comes to the section A, which comprises about very short answer type questions. Each question carries 2 marks. 1 to 10. 10 are given. You can answer all. There is no choice. If you want to get full marks in botany, you can answer all these 10 questions. There is no choice. It is the important point to be noted. So generally, students prefer to follow the study materials and colleges also provide the study materials. But in study materials, so many questions are given, but all they are not there in your syllabus. So in this video, I will explain what are the important chapters from where you get the 1 mark, 2 marks questions and how many questions are there in each and every chapter. So, in for second year botany, there are 1 to 14 chapters. Among them, the chapter 1 is called Transport in Plants. So, nearly 25 questions are given in this chapter in all materials, almost all. But there is only 13 questions are given in our textbook. So, from these 13, you get 1 question. And the second important chapter is the photosynthesis in higher plant, 4th chapter. 9 questions are given in this chapter. So if you go through the 9, you have 1 question compulsory in the question paper. And chapter 7, bacteria, there are 10 questions. And next one is chapter 9, principles of inheritance, otherwise called as genetics. There are 9 questions in the genetics. If you go through them, you have 1 in the question paper. Next, chapter 10, molecular basis of inheritance, otherwise called as molecular biology. In this chapter, nearly 30 questions are given in the material, but all are not there in the syllabus, only 17 are there. If you go through these 17 questions, you have 2 questions in the examination, not 1, 2. Next, chapter 11, biotechnology principles and processes. There are 11 questions. And next, chapter 12, biotechnology and its applications. There are only 7 questions. You have 1 question from these 7. Next, chapter 13, strategies for enhancement in food production. There are 10 questions. Next, last chapter, microbes in human welfare. 12 2 marks questions. If you go through them, you have 1. So this is about the list of 2 marks questions in second year botany syllabus. In next video, I will give the list of all these questions and also I will explain how you get cent marks in first year botany. So in first year, there is no botany, a separate paper, there is a biology. But in biology, botany is part A. So that also I will explain in the next video.